How to promote affiliate links for free. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start promoting affiliate links for free without having to install any fancy programs, and how you can garner more real traffic onto your affiliate links. So let's get started. Now, the number one option that you can do is by creating YouTube videos. So let's say if I have a affiliate link for maybe a VPN, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to upload a video, title it, I'm going to select files. I am going to create this video. So what you're going to do is you're going to upload a video maybe related to how you can make your web browsing safe, why you need to make your web browsing safe, and then you're going to add your affiliate link to that. So it's going to be a very seamless transition between your affiliate and the video content. And you can do that using Canva. Just add a few basic slides, and then you can do your slideshow presentation, and then you can just explain it as you go. That's one of the basic ways to start promoting your affiliate links, and that's a eternal way of the promotion of your affiliate links, because you're going to get YouTube views as long as your channel is alive and as long as the YouTube platform is going, and you are going to get affiliates on clicking on your link as long as your videos are up on your channel. So if I have a affiliate for Beats, so let's say if I have a affiliate for Beats, I can post this video called how to make money on Beats, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this little video. People are going to be more interested in the money making, but I am going to be interested in promoting Beats, and that's going to give me real people clicking on my affiliate link. Now, the second way that I can promote affiliate links is by Facebook groups. Now, Facebook groups are one of the most underrated yet popular way to promote affiliate links. And you might be wondering, people don't click on Facebook affiliate links, people aren't interested in that. Well, you're definitely wrong. Now, what you're going to do is, let's say you have a affiliate link for something that is related to food. You're just going to type whatever the basic core object of your affiliate link is, and then you're going to click on groups over here at the bottom left. And then once you do that, you can see a few groups. So make sure that you opt for a group with higher number of members and that has frequent posts per day. So you can see over here, this is a private group, but you can join it very easily. Most requests do get approval on Facebook groups. This is a public group called Simple Chinese Cooking. And if you have an affiliate for some kind of cooking website or recipe website, what you're going to do is you're just going to add your post. You're going to add a recipe, and you're going to add a quick and simple little tag called to get the full recipe, click on this link. So that will be a very simple and easy to direct traffic link to your affiliate. So that is one of the simplest ways. I think it's one of the most effective ways as well. You can see over here we have tasty recipes, and over here you can see that this person has posted this full recipe over here. They just posted an image, and then they didn't post any details. They just added their own affiliate link, and this is how people make money with affiliates on Facebook. And these two are the largest and most used social media platforms, YouTube and Facebook, and you're definitely going to be able to make a lot of money if you promote using these two platforms. Now, the third way you can make money by promoting affiliate links is by promoting them on Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is also a very, very large platform, and it's used by millions of people. And you can easily promote on Pinterest and create a business account. Once you create an account, it's very simple. You just have to sign up using your Google or Facebook email. You're going to click on create over here. You're going to click on create pin. And then you're just going to add a little title. So let's say this pin is for maybe some kind of VPN. So let's say how to stay safe on the internet. And then once you do that, you're going to add a few little description. You're going to add a little description, and then you can add a few hashtags. So, and then what you're going to do is you're going to open Canva. You're going to click on custom size over here. You're going to select inches instead of pixels, and then you're going to add any size you want. I would suggest go with a 10 by 12 design because it fits very well onto the Pinterest platform. And then you can either start from scratch or start with a template. I'm just going to start with a template. So take a look at the basic templates over here. There are a lot of different templates, and I'm just going to search for tech. So you can see over here, this is a very, very easy to use template we have, and I'm just going to zoom in. I'm going to change up the text, stay safe, and then I'm going to add a little information about VPN. Once you do that, you can add your affiliate link in the first pin as well, or you can just add it into the general description of your little post. You're going to download this, and once you download this little image, you're going to upload it here on Pinterest, and then you can create and publish your pin, and that is going to give you free promotion for your affiliate link here on Pinterest as well. And you have a very active community here on Pinterest, and people are very interactive, so it's very likely that your click-through rate is going to be very high with promotion of affiliate links on Pinterest. So these are some of the most used social media platforms, and you're going to promote on all 3 of these. Including these, you can also promote on Instagram just by clicking here on Canva. You're going to go back into your homepage here on Canva, and then you're going to click on, you're going to search for Facebook ads. And the reason that I don't suggest using a Instagram square is that it looks a bit overused. So you can either use a Facebook app ad, or you can just even search for Instagram. So you can search for a Instagram post. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create a pin for your Instagram picture as well. So it's basically the same thing. You're going to add some kind of images. You're going to add a very interactive image that people will be interested in clicking on, and then you can add the affiliate link into the description of your Instagram post. So it's very easy to use Canva. You're just going to select your little style, and then you're going to start creating. So let's see over here. We have this interactive video template that we're going to use this time to make a affiliate promotion Instagram post for maybe food blog. So you can see over here, this is already for a food blog, but what I'm going to do is Lola's food blog, and then you can add your affiliate link over here. So I'm just going to write XYZ affiliate, and on the top, I'm going to add magic like so, and I'm going to place it correctly. And like that, I can just download this little video clip with these sparkling glitters and post it on my Instagram account. Make sure that you do garner an audience on Instagram, or make sure that you have at least a public account and use hashtags and different tags to make the visibility of your Instagram people more, to have a larger outreach on Instagram as well. So these are the 4 basic platforms you can promote on. Definitely do let me know if there are some other ways that you like to promote your affiliate links for free. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next video.